Still spending hours filming, editing, or hiring models just to create one piece of content? What if you could generate everything? Videos, images, even digital influencers with just AI. Let's dive in. Meet Influencer Studio, the all-in-one AI creative platform that helps you design, animate, and produce influencer-style content in minutes. You can create realistic AI avatars, generate videos and images, perform face swaps, and even train your own digital clone, all inside one workspace. Need a model for your ad? A talking avatar for YouTube? Or maybe a faceless brand ambassador for TikTok? Influencer Studio does it all. Fast, flexible, and camera-free. Perfect for content creators, marketers, and agencies who want to scale visuals without expensive shoots or editing software. Click the link in the description and see how Influencer Studio can transform your creative workflow today. All right, on your screen right now, you can see the home interface of Influencer Studio. And to create an account, you just need to click the Create Account button on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see three options for creating an account. First, using your Google account. Second, using your Discord account. And third, by signing up with your email address. For convenience, I'm going to sign up using my Google account. All right. Once your account is created, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard of the platform. Now, before you start using it, you'll first need to create a workspace for yourself. Here, you can see the Workspace section. You can give your workspace any name you like. Since we'll use this tool to create influencers, I suggest naming your workspace the same as your influencer's name. For example, I'll name mine Rose. Okay, after creating your workspace, you'll notice that it includes three main features. The first one, Create Influencer. This is where you can create your own influencer and generate images, videos, or UGC videos for them. Next to that, there's the Chat section. This is an additional feature. It allows you to generate images or videos based on a chat prompt. You can think of it like Nano Banana. You type in a little chat, and the system quickly generates visuals from it. Then we have the Advanced section. This one lets you go deeper. You can generate images, videos, and even audio with far more customization options. For example, you can input detailed prompts, tweak the settings, or fine-tune the generation results. All right, in this video, I'll mainly walk you through how to create an influencer and how to generate media content around that influencer. So to get started, click the Create New Influencer button right in the center of your screen. To create an influencer, you'll have two options. First, if you already have photos of your influencer, you can upload 10 to 20 high-quality images. Second, if you don't have any photos, you can let the software generate images using AI. Since I don't have any photos yet, I'll choose the Generate Photo with AI option. Here, you'll see some sample influencers that the software has already created for reference. You can pick one that you like, or if you want to start completely from scratch, click Start from Scratch. If you like the body type, style, or skin tone of any existing sample, you can select it. There are both male and female options available. In my case, I'll start from scratch, so I can customize everything to my liking. All right, before that, I'll enter the name of my influencer. Let's say Rose. Then click Start from Scratch, and next, click Pick Avatar. Now you can fill in the detailed information of your influencer. First, the gender. I'll choose female. Next, nationality. I'll select US. For body shape, you can pick one from the list, fitness or supermodel. I'll go with supermodel. Then enter a few more details. Age, 25. Hair type, straight. Hair color, pink. Eye color, blue. You can also add a description if you want, or just leave it blank. The system will auto-generate one. Click Next, and done. in just a few seconds, the platform generates 10 AI influencer images for you to choose from. If you like one, select it. If not, click Generate More to create more options. I'll pick this one. Looks great. Then click Next. Okay, the system has now created our influencer. Here she is. Next, to generate images or videos for this influencer, just click on her avatar. You'll now see 4 content creation options: Create Image, Create Video, Create Audio, Create UGC Video. Let's go through each one step by step. First, Create Image. The interface is very simple. Enter your prompt, choose the number of images, and select the aspect ratio. For example, I'll type in a prompt, choose 4 images, and set the ratio to 9:16, portrait. Then click Generate Image. Within seconds, voila, 4 AI-generated images. You can edit them or download them. When editing, you can upscale to improve quality, change the camera angle, front, side, etc., or modify details with a short prompt. For example, the girl is wearing a hat. All right, that's the image creation feature. Next, create video. Again, enter your prompt, choose video size and duration, and select an AI model, for example, VO 3.1 or Kling 2.5. I'll make a 9:16 video, 8 seconds long. Then click Generate First Frame. The tool gives us 4 frame previews. Choose the one you like best. Then click Generate Video. And just like that, the video is ready. Let's watch it. Looks pretty realistic, right? Next, create audio. Here, you can give your influencer a voice. Click Create New Voice. You'll have 2 choices: clone an existing voice or generate a new AI voice. I'll go with AI voice. You can describe how you want it to sound, or simply click Auto Generate. Then click Create Voice. Once done, you can preview the voice. Finally, create UGC video. This is where you can make your influencer review a product in a natural, hands-on way. First, describe your video concept. Then choose the video size. I'll keep it at 9:16. Select your AI model and upload an image of the product. Next, for audio, you can either use a pre-existing voice or create a new one. I'll reuse the AI voice I made earlier. Paste your script here, what your influencer will say in the video. Then click Generate First Frame. Once the preview frames appear, choose the one that looks best. Then click Generate Video. And done. Your UGC video is ready. Let's play it.
Hey guys, I'm trying this new sunscreen. It's super lightweight, absorbs fast, and doesn't leave a white cast. Perfect for everyday use, especially when you're out in the sun.
Looks great, right? You can edit it again if you want, extend the duration, upscale the quality, and more. That's it for today. Want to create influencer-style content without ever turning on a camera? Influencer Studio has everything you need. Click the link below to try it now. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome AI tools. See you in the next video.